So this is going to be another Pretty Little Thing haul video. I'm going to try on the items so you guys can see them. This top is from Pretty Little Thing, this shorts is from Pretty Little Thing. Yeah. As you can see, I have this big ass bag. Okay. So this is the first outfit. So it's a bodysuit and a skirt. Let me see what size. That is my little test to see if I can bend over and all my parts won't be out. And this passed. So this is the first outfit. Come up closer. So this is the second outfit, and it's just a oversized button-down shirt. I love the arm detailing. I'll show you the arm detailing when I come in, but it hits me right above the knee. And with these oversized or above the knee dresses, I like when it's cut like this. It makes sure your butt is not outside. I could have went down a size, but I didn't want anything too tight, seeing that it's going to be most of these stuff I got for fall time. So I like the oversizedness. So for the sleeves, this is how the sleeves look, and it has like a slit in the side. I like the sleeve a lot. If I wanted to fold it up because it's a bit too long, or just take it up all the way up here, it's still going to look great. So I really like the sleeves, how it's designed. I like that it has one pocket. I also got a hat. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these two together, but my braids underneath this wig is kind of big, so. With some heels, this is a fit. Okay. So this is the next outfit. It's just a, what do you call this? A blazer dress with sheer sleeves. I could have gone down a size in this. I got a US 10, and I got a US 10 because with Pretty Little Things clothes, I'd rather it be a little bit big than too tight, because I can cinch the waist in with a belt or something, give it a more street feel. So I got this in a 10, and I'm happy I got it in a 10 because this is a mini. Anytime I get anything that's mini, I always go up a size. So this is how it looks. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to. I don't know why I'm buying all this stuff and we're in quarantine still, but I gotta post content on Instagram, so So I'll go up and show you guys a more up close look. This is the sleeves. The detailing on it is on the silver side, which really make the sage green pop. Love the sleeves, love the fit. So this is the next outfit. It's just a hoodie dress, hoodie sweater dress basically. It has a nice thigh slit right here. Show off them sexy thighs. Okay. It has a nice waist thing. I don't know what to call this. That you can really cinch your waist in with. I love how they made the sleeves, because the sleeves are kind of poofy, but the wrist part is tight. I love that a lot. I love how it has a hoodie. The only thing I would add to this would be pockets. But that's just me. I love it. It's heavy. It's a heavy cotton material, so it's very comfortable. It allows you to be sexy while being comfortable. Love, love, love this. And this is heavy sweater material, so this will be perfect for the winter time. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna start with this one up close. This is the boobie area. If you don't have medium to large boobs, I don't think this is gonna fit you right. This is not going to look good on you. So if you're in the itty bitty comedy, don't get this. I don't love the material that they use for the top portion. I feel like if they used the same sweater material that they use down here, it would have been way better, but that's just me. Who can talk to me? Who can talk to I? So this is a two-piece suit. Excuse these straps. I don't want my nipples poking out on camera, so I got on my breastfeeding bra. But this is actually in a US size 6. This is a two-piece set. I love the material that makes this, kind of really sucks you in. I love the pants. However, it's sweeping the floor, and I am 5'6". I hate the top. I don't know whose boobs are supposed to fit in this, but my boobies ain't fitting in this baby. I should have went up 2 sizes if I really wanted this to fit. But even if I went up 2 sizes, I feel like this definitely needs a strap because it's like flipping out. When I come closer, you guys will see. The foot part is sweeping the floor. As you can see, these parts are rolling down. This definitely needs straps. Definitely. These ain't holding my boobs. If you have little boobs, these will be perfect for you, baby. Perfect. But mine, no ma'am. Right here. And I'm my tippy toes and they're still long. If I'm wearing these, I definitely have to wear high heels. I got this top and I love this trend with these prints on the clothes. However, I hate that they put a lot of white Jesus and white kids and white babies and white angels on these prints. So when I saw these dragons, I feel like, yeah, I can wear this trend but not worship a white god or white people. So I got this top. This is how it looks. I'm happy I got it too, because that means I have something to wear with this pants. And I didn't even buy them to wear together. So this is how it looks up close. It has a lining under the bottom. I still have on that green tube top that, and then the back is completely sheer. I love this top. However, I feel like they could have stitched this or double stitch it, because it keeps rolling up. I don't know if it's because my belly is just big or what, but crop tops and me are not friends anymore. And if I'm doing a crop top, this is like all that I want to show now, just this little peekaboo area right here. So real date night things. So I don't know where we buy this for, or where I think me did all going at this. Must have been going to a gala or something, but this can't even zip up how it tight. Okay, this is how the back looks. It's tight till free. So this is definitely going back to Pretty Little Thing, baby. I still have on that tube top because this is way too deep for me personally. No ma'am, no ma'am, this has to go. I can't even open my legs. What if I need to pee? I will literally piss myself. What is this? How am I gonna pee in this? There's. So I bought one of these skirts. They're very trendy, and this can't even pass my hip. I actually went up a size, and this is in a UK size 10. US size. I got this in a US size 6. Wow, I must be an idiot. I normally wear US size 8. But people are saying that the waist was loose, so that's why I went down a size. Says everybody that I've seen with this said that the waist was loose when they got it. But, so this is the back. You can't even pass me the thighs then. Definitely going back. So this is going back. This dress is going back. And this tube top is going back. So that's it for my Pretty Little Thing fall haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what your favorite outfit was in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.